Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Holden Rodeo, stock reference number 5401. This shape runs from the 10th month 2006 through to the 7th month 2008. It has a 4JJ1, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 4JJ1, 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Bonnet has a couple of small dents. Left front door has multiple large dents and a previous repair. Left rear door has a previous repair and a small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. There's a Sapphire City Engineering steel tray, a little bit rusty, still may be usable. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has a few large dents. Right front door has multiple small dents. Right guard and factory snorkel, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Sony media player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, and instrument cluster.